Check out this easy DIY tutorial on how to make a beautiful wood bead heart wreath for your home. First, you're going to take wire and measure out 2 long pieces to the same length. Cut the 2 wire pieces and grab some floral wire. From there, wrap the floral wire around the 2 copper wire pieces to attach them together. Take brown floral tape and wrap around all of the attached wire until it's completely covered and cut. When it's completely covered, create a heart shape where the ends of the wire meet at the center of the arches of the heart. Grab wood beads and thread them onto the wire. Continue this step until you make it all the way to the end of the wire. Allow for some room on the ends. Twist the ends together to secure them. Add 1 final wood bead to the joined pieces to finish off the heart shape. The thicker piece of wire should hold the last bead in place. Grab ribbon of choice and tie to one of the arches in the desired location. Tie a whimsical bow and cut the ends of the ribbon at an angle to create a polished, finished look. Now this is the best step because you get to display it in your home to add more Valentine's Day decor to your space on a budget. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell to get notifications for when I post new classy chic decor on the cheap.